What are you videotaping me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm a faggot. You know what? What the fuck is wrong with you, faggot?
Robert.
Oh, I waited all this whole time. You know what? Fuck you. I'm a crip, bitch. I ain't no goddamn blood motherfucker. Oh, I lick pussy. My name is the person that's videotaping me, bitch. Faggot ass niggers. You'll never be blessed.
Weirdo.
Get them off. You know, fuck you, Kurt.
I got one.
I like niggers. and my husband is all white. I only fuck white dudes, and I like black people, nigger. Cunt ass nigger. Faggot. I don't want nothing from you, a faggot. Faggot ass faggot.
I'm videotaping her.
Way to be a fucking cunt.
So she's come back.
Mm-hmm. Man, she stunk.
I threw a backpack over the wall.
Oh, did
No,
you?
I'll go back and get the backpack again. That's how she couldn't come over here and fuck around by the cars.
I was just getting ready to pause it too, and there she came.
You need to pay the bodyguard.
Hmm?
You need to pay your bodyguard.
Thank you, bodyguard.
You got Robert.
I go, Robert, because she was kind of new. She's getting ready to come towards me.
I think so. We haven't had one in a while.
Okay.